Hi everyone! So in this video po, I am going to discuss the sales statistics of our MOT application. But before anything else, ano nga ba yung sales statistics? Sales statistics actually is a report that offers a comprehensive analysis kung magkano yung sales performance natin, including yung mga cost, tapos nag-generate po siya ng profit. It also gives us an insight kung ano yung araw na malakas yung benta, ano yung araw na mahina yung benta. So how do we do that one here? Or paano ba natin siya i-generate dito sa ating MOT application? So nakikita niyo po itong three-line icon. So first po, login muna tayo. Next, tap lang po natin yung three-line icon po. And then, pindutin lang natin itong si Sales Stats. The moment you tap that one po, it gives us a statistical analysis in line graph and you can actually see na meron tayong tumataas po yung ating profit during the time kung saan nag-rise yung ating mga dots. So for the legend here, the blue dots represents your sales, the cost represents the red dot, and then the profit represents these green dots. So you can actually see between your sales and your cost, and then sales and cost and sales and cost. So nakikita natin yan, and then it also generates the profit. Dito naman sa ilalim, you can actually see a bar graph, which represents naman a graphical report ulit for your sales alone. So here are the dates na nagbenta ko, 9, 15, 20, 21, 22, and 23. You can select previous ganyan. You can actually go back if there is, and then current, and then next. So pwede natin siyang ma-filter. This is actually a very good analytics or statistics na nakikita nyo agad yung mga insights natin na hindi na tayo isa-isang nag-generate ng PDF report doon sa ating administrative side, which is really good if nagmamadali tayo or you just want to see the performance of the store or the summative performance of the store.